Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hopefully my fan is not too loud, but my office gets sometimes hot, so I didn't want to like cut it off. But anywho, so I'm back with another Come Learn With Me. I'm gonna be doing a look from a girl named Sydney Leone or something like that. I'll drop all her links down below, of course. And I really picked her look because most of her looks kind of look really similar to In the Makeup by Shayla palette, and I really wanted to use this makeup palette again. Trying to get in the habit of using stuff that I buy before I buy other things, because I haven't really been practicing in makeup like that, and it's been a while. And plus I want to keep learning. That was the sole purpose of me creating the Come Learn With Me segment, because you may be a girl like me who really doesn't know how to do makeup, but you're willing to learn. And the first thing I believe in is putting yourself out there. I think that's the most amazing part about it, because if you put yourself out there, you don't really care if someone's judging your makeup look. So yeah, anywho. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put my lid on, my concealer on my lids. So in her look, she took, I think she took like a color similar to these two, I want to say. But it's so weird because I want to say it's the Revenge color, because that looks a little bit more like it. I don't know, the look may look similar to hers, but y'all know me, I don't be her. Let's try. Let's go. Yeah, this is like more of the look. So yeah, we're gonna go with that. And she put it like right above her crease, so we're gonna do that. Okay. So then she took like an orangish color, so I'm just gonna do that. I like doing these looks because even though they may not come out good, you can still practice. Like, that's the most important part. I feel like that's key, is practicing. Gotta brush off this excess sometimes. Yeah. And I'll most likely link her video down below, because yeah. It can be work. So next thing is she took like the purple color and she put it in her out of the look. Sorry, that kind of scared me.
Blending brush to apply this directly to my crease, and I do build up all my colors, you guys, so I'm gonna pack this shade on in my crease.
So now I'm gonna do what she did, and that's just putting it in this crease area. That purple that I had in the Anastasia, I said Anastasia, in there wasn't really cutting it for me. So. And so next thing is she cut her crease, so I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna have to fix those colors after. I ain't got time right now. Pour a little bit on my hand and use this to match the one I'm looking for. She took like a copper green. And then she took like a black, so I'm gonna do that. Just to sit in my crease. Ooh, I think I put too much. Alright, we're gonna blend it out. I feel like it's better than before. And like I was talking to my makeup artist about blending and stuff, she was like, sometimes you just can't even overthink the blending. So I'm going to listen. I'm going to listen. And I think as I keep going on, I will get better with that. So I'm going to go put my foundation on and come back. Hey guys, so I'm back. And this is the look. I only threw my foundation on. And I put a little bit of, it bit me. And I put a little bit of, what you call it on? I can't even think of the name at the moment. But this is it. I'm really proud. I feel like it looks 10 times better than all my other looks. And I feel like as I keep going, I'm trying to keep practicing. Trying to keep practicing because I know I'll get 10 times better. And I feel like if I keep going, that's how I'll keep getting better. I may change the lip, but I was just trying to like play with some things. So yeah. I feel like this look reminds me of the look that I did previously, but I feel like it looks better than when I did it before, if that makes any sense. I don't have no earrings on. That's how you know I was just in the mood to practice makeup. That's the most important part, you know. Practicing makes perfect, and you'll get there. And if, trust me, I couldn't do brows to save my life, so I know I'll get there. But that's pretty much this video, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you give it a thumbs up. And stay tuned for more looks. I'm always trying to find looks of the things that I have. So I really want to get into practice. I really need to learn these lashes. Like I need to stop playing. But I feel like every time that I do it, like I said before, I get better. So until the next video, guys, I will